Hello everybody, today a new product SIMadd. Yes, this product I have some different from this one. This is the SIMadd Home, and I have already made a video to introduce this product. And the my different of there's two product is this product can only insert one SIM card, but this product can let you insert two SIM card. But the function is almost the same. You don't need to carry a device all with you, and you just need to put this device at your home, yes, and connect to your router. Then your SIM card always online, and no matter where you go, you can answer or make call from your second SIM card or third SIM card. And now I will open the box and introduce it to you. First, look at the box. It's only have black color. Yes. Look, cable, plug, charger cable. This is free, and this product can use USB, and also can use DC. So if you have this USB cable, you can connect here. If you have DC, you can connect here. Okay. And the plug, we were sent to you the right plug for you. If you use EU, US, or UK, we have all of the plug for you. But this is US for US. Okay. These two product. Look. Dun-dun. Here. You can see SIM 1, SIM 2, right? And also, two product use different app. This one use high torque, and this one use SIM Plus app. Now I will tell you step by step to how to use the product. In fact, it's very easy, but I still need to show it, right? Okay, first we need to download the app. The app SIM Plus, this one. Okay. My internet slowly. Yes. You just need to research the SIM Plus, yes, and I have already done it. And this one, SIM Plus. Oh, sorry. And then I have already done it and installed the SIM Plus. I put it here. Okay. And the second, what you need to do is insert a SIM card. This is another SIM card. The same like your iPhones. Okay. And your iPhone have one SIM card, and this device have two SIM cards, so you totally have three SIM cards, all both online, totally online. So no matter which SIM card have a call come in, you can answer by your iPhone, as long as your iPhone have a network, Wi-Fi or 4G data. Yes. You can check it. I have two SIM cards. Insert the SIM card here. SIM 1. Okay. And SIM 2. Okay. Because I have already connected, so maybe when I connect the net cables, it will in the app it will surely connect. Now okay. Okay, the line and here. Okay, in fact, and there is a reset button here. If you want to reset the device, you can press this button. And now the only thing is to open the app, and then you can see my yes, it's already connected, right? Because I have already connected. But when you first to use the product, you need to go here, remote device, and I know I then you need to go to your Wi-Fi. Then it will show the same home, this Wi-Fi. You're supposed to connect this Wi-Fi. In fact, this product is also a router. Yes. If you connect this way, because it connects the network, and it will send the Wi-Fi. So you can if you connect this Wi-Fi, you can also have network, right? Okay, I just turn in. Yes, this is a SIM home Wi-Fi, so you can also put it as a router. And now back to the app, and press the research. You will find the device here. After you connect to Wi-Fi, then you research here. You will find the device. This is device name, and you press here, and it is connect. Yes, then it will work. Everything's work, and the device connect to the internet. Then back, and this time you can make a call, and you no need to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can connect to any Wi-Fi or not, or no Wi-Fi is all both okay. I assure you. Yes, I make a call. SIM 2. Yes, it's working. And I use SIM 1 to make a call.
欢迎致电中国移动，普通话请按1。
Yeah. So I totally have 3 SIM card, right? I can make a call. If I want to use this 2 SIM card, I can use this apps to make a call. And if I want to use this SIM card here in iPhone, I can use this iPhone to make a call. So do you understand me? So you no need to carry the device, just put it at your home, and no matter where you go, even I go to America or go to other country, as long as I have network, 4G or Wi-Fi, this device always can connect with my iPhone. Do you understand? Because it use internet. Internet can connect awesome, right? So these 2 product, 1 SIM, 2 SIM. So you can choose this product depending on your needs. If you only need 1 SIM card, you can choose this one. If you have 3 SIM card, you can choose this one. So I like this product because it is no need to carry it. I just want to bring only 1 iPhone. Yes, no need other device. Wait a moment. And then we also have this product. This is a case, double SIM case for iPhone 10. Yes, this device you need to carry with your iPhone. Yes, put it at the back of your iPhone, and then connect your iPhone by Bluetooth. It also can insert 1 SIM card here, and this device have one function. It's a power bank. It can charge your iPhone, but this device can't charge your iPhone. So if you need always charge your iPhone, you can choose this one. This red color, it looks beautiful. But if you no need this function charge your iPhone, I think this one is the best choice. These two product is the best choice. And it will not cost your iPhone power too much. And this one will always, because you connect with your iPhone, so it will cost your iPhone power battery. Yeah. So this is all. And if you want to know more about this product, you can contact me. And I have leave my WhatsApp or WeChat below the videos, and you can add my WhatsApp and WeChat to know more about the product. And if you want to buy the product, I have also leave my AliExpress store link below the videos. You can click and view some detail about the product. So this is all for today's videos, and I hope you like this product because it is new product this year, and I think whole year we will sell this product. And maybe next year iPhone will have some new iPhone. Maybe new iPhone will have dual SIM. But now iPhone only have 1 SIM, so this product is okay for some people who need 1 SIM or 3 SIM or 4 SIM. And 1 SIM. If you have 4 SIM card or 5 SIM card, 6 SIM card, I think we have a solution. First, you buy 2 product. this product you can insert two SIM cards. This product one SIM card, totally 3 SIM card, and in your iPhone one SIM card. So you have 4 SIM card, still buy 4 SIM card. And if you also buy this product, it can also insert 1 SIM card. Okay, and you totally have 5 SIM card online. But I think no there's people who need 5 SIM card. So just the solution. I just let you know it can work. Okay, and another thing, if you put this product at your country and then you want to go to another country, you no need to pay the money for some just how to explain it, some money, when you go out to other country, romance, yes, it'll cost you a lot of money, right, if you make a call in other country. So but if you put this SIM card at your home and you go to other country and when you make a call by this SIM, it's just like you make a call at your home, so it no need other money to pay for your operate. Yes, so this is the advantage of this product. Is for some people who need to go to out of the country. Do you understand me? If you not understand me, you can contact me WhatsApp or WeChat. I can explain the detail of the function of the product, and I think you will like it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you.